When I made the statement, your cell is intelligence, I mean, 2-3 qualities of intelligence is constantly expressed by your cells. One first quality, reproduce. See, anything which survives has to reproduce. Anything which reproduces only can survive. It's a basic law. A buffalo, by its very nature, it will try to reproduce one more buffalo. Man, by his very nature, he has to reproduce. Understand? What I am doing is also one kind of reproduction. I become enlightened. Now constantly I am reproducing enlightenment on human beings. See, you all carry your garbha in Mooladhara. I carry my garbha in Anahata. That's all. I carry my disciples in my heart and hate them. It's just actually reproducing. Only a person who is capable of doing the higher kind of reproductions does not need the lower kind of reproduction. Otherwise, every human being, by his very nature, it's a survival truth. You have to reproduce. Cells also don't keep quiet. What they do? They start reproducing. So, for example, morning you had a pain shower, some suffering. By evening, those cells have become now 3. One reproduces, 2, now night if you have the same pain shower, what will happen? All 3 fellows will catch the same engram. They will get the same energy, same engram. Then by next day what will happen? These guys will become, they will multiply. That is why every time you have that same pain shower on you, the experience is intense, whether it is anger or pain, whatever may be. Second time, third time, if the same emotion happens in you, what will happen? The experience will be very strong, intense. And this expansion, you don't need to cooperate. This multiplying happens without your contribution. Reproduction here, physical body, needs you directly involving, going through that experience. Reproduction in the prana and mental layer, pranic and mental layer needs at least you remembering those engrams. But the reproduction in the etheric body does not need any cooperation or yes from your side. It just goes on and on and on without you saying yes. That is why no pain should be allowed to stay inside your inner space. In Tamil there is a proverb, fire, enmity, the loan should not be allowed even little bit to remain, because they will multiply, they will grow. Fire also will expand, enmity also will expand, and loan also will expand. Same way, these engrams cannot be allowed even little bit to remain. It's a very powerful layer. Understand the importance of this layer. All 7 chakras are in this layer only. The whole ASP program, the LVP level 1. How many of you have done that program? 7 chakras? The whole program is just to work on this layer, 4th layer, etheric layer. All 7 chakras are in this layer only. Understand? The one full program, 2-day workshop I have dedicated to this layer means, then understand the importance of this layer. If this layer is cleansed, practically you will not attract any unknown accidents, difficulties in your life. All accidents, attracting accidents or unknown things in your life happens because of this layer. This acts like a dish anther, dish. If you have a dish, how the waves are attracted to you, especially the channel which you tune, that same waves are attracted to you. Same way, this layer acts like a dish for painful memories. One more thing. One important danger of this layer, when you have so much of painful memories, you start enjoying others' pains and sufferings. That is why this yellow journals. Why do you think so much people enjoy these yellow journals? Means like a murder, crime novels, the crime journals. There are many magazines and media that 80% of their energy is spent only in investing all these nonsense and writing some more things. See, I am not saying don't know about the world at all. You can know. Just a simple regular news is enough. And the law enforcement department is there, they are going to take care. Are you going to change anything directly? No. But from morning till night they will be sitting with that same journals, magazines. The wrapper itself will see with a big sword or gun with the blood. This kind of articles, this kind of things you start enjoying. I have seen people, they know if they see some horror movies for 2-3 days continuously, they will be completely frightened. They can't even go to their kitchen to drink water in the night time. But even then, they will sit only with these movies, the horror movies. You will start cherishing, enjoying violent, horrible things if this layer is too strong. The engrams in this layer is too strong. Understand? That's a very beautiful sutra in Upanishad. Agara suddhayo smriti suddhi. If the food is pure, your memory will become pure. That does not mean only the food which you eat through mouth. The food which you eat through eyes, food which you eat through ears, food which you eat through touch, food which you eat through smell, all 5 senses. All 5 senses. So be very clear. Agara Suddhi means not swallowing violent, abusive things even through media. Even through media. If you are enjoying horror movies, the violent, especially the stunt scenes, be very clear, you have something seriously wrong in this layer. According to me, romance is much better shows. It's not that I am saying go and see romantic movies. If you have a choice, better go for some light things, some comedy or romance. That's much better. You won't hurt yourself. You will just have an entertainment, time pass, over. But if you start cherishing and enjoying the violence, horrible things, you will weaken this 4th layer. Please understand. Now the statement which I am making, logically you may not understand. But let me be very clear. It's an honest truth. I promise once more. It's honest truth. If you start enjoying horrible things and violence through media or through reading or all these ways, you will surely attract accidents and unnecessary violent things in your life. Because your inner space is so powerful, it can create incidents in your outer space. Don't think your inner space is such a insensitive thing. It has nothing to do with your life. No. You are not that intelligent to edit your inner space and create your own outer space. No. Whatever you carry in your inner space, same thing only will be reproduced in outer space. So, be very clear. Before you start enjoying horror movies, violent things in your life, stop swallowing suffering as if you are less. As if already you have less in your stock. Stop swallowing suffering. You are swallowing too much of suffering. Too much of suffering. Not only that, without knowing. That's another one problem. Without knowing. So, if at all you want entertainments, have more the comedy things and the romance based. At least you are saved. Actually, enjoying the adrenaline release is what is reason for enjoying all this nonsense. See, when you enjoy all those, when you experience all those horrible things, the horror movie or these violent things, adrenaline release happens in your system. And by and by you start enjoying that adrenaline surge, release. Please understand, anybody who enjoys adrenaline surge, whenever that high intense adrenaline release does not happen in the system, they will be depressed. That is why, you see, whenever I enter into any country, just 2-3 days if I watch the local channel, I can tell the consciousness of that country. People ask me, Swamiji, you travel all over the world, everywhere, whatever you speak, it feels so appealing to the culture and the country. Actually, I do this only. I sit and watch the local channel, try to have an interpreter, if I don't understand that language, and tell that guy to translate and tell me, and pick up some local slang language books. But which are common things. I can straight away find out which conscious they are in. When I went to Disney World, one devotee was taking me around. He said, Swamiji, see what wonderful entertainment things these guys have. Amazing thing. We didn't have all these things in India. I said, idiot. Don't you understand this whole country is depressed? True. Please understand, especially the roller coasters. Roller coasters and the high excitement, the intense movements. What do you think they are doing? They create a deep adrenaline surge in you, release in you. And people start enjoying that. If you enjoy the adrenaline surge 20 times in your life, after a few days, if you don't have that surge, you will be in depression. You will be in depression. I can give you one right example. Dog eating its own leg, chewing its own leg is the exact right example for enjoying your own adrenaline release. Adrenaline surge. Once they put me in roller coaster. Shiv. All right, I'll tell the experience. First time when I went to USA, in Santa Monica Beach. Usually I go for evening walk. If I stay in the beach cities, go in the evening walk. If I stay in the hilly region, I go on the hill for evening walk. That's my only entertainment. Just walking. Anyway, we went for a walk. Slowly these guys started telling me, Swamiji, this roller coaster is really wonderful. Why don't you try? I said, no, these are not for me. But you know these devotees, how strong and stubborn they are. And you know how these guys usually talk. Not only she, there are 2-3 other people also, other colleagues. All put together, slowly they started telling, no, Swamiji, you know it's really a wonderful experience. It will really be funny, just try. After all, nothing. See, even the young guys are doing there. And they told me all kinds of reasons. Then finally I said, all right, I will come there. I will see the expressions of the people who are coming out. If that is really joyful, then I will try. I went there. I saw that when the roller coaster comes and stops, all the guys are raising their hand and shouting, oh! I thought, oh, it must be the excitement. Then it must be excitement. I said, all right, buy tickets, let's go and sit. Anyhow, they put me in a seat. And the moment I sat, these fellows have locked me. Kind of a seat belt and the bar. You can't even think of getting out. Anyhow, everything was ready, but these guys did not get it. nobody sat with me also. Two-seater, nobody sat with me. And even one of the guys who got it, they all got in the other seats. I don't know what they thought, or what they were planning. Anyhow, it started. First thing, the moment it started, my turban, I used to have a turban. The turban flew off. And it's a 60 feet tall, high roller coaster. The turban is caught in that structure and it is flying like a coffee flag. And another big problem is, it got caught above the American flag. It is illegal. You cannot have any flag. First problem, you don't know what for they will sue you in that country. Really? See, if somebody comes inside your house and falls, you are responsible. I can't understand all these laws. Really, I studied their constitution. I studied their law, not constitution, but their laws. Very funny. One thief came to one house to steal, and when he was climbing, there was some glass door which was not fixed properly in the roof, and he fell. He sued the owner of the house and got him. Of course, I never tried second time. And let me tell the whole story. It's I think 90 minutes or 90 minutes, no? 90 seconds, sorry, 90 seconds. 90-second roller coaster. 90 seconds is not, don't think such a short time. If you sit in roller coaster, you understand how long 90 seconds looks. He went this side and that side and that side and one full round. Finally, it came and stopped. I saw, without even my awareness, I am also exciting way, I am also shouting, not because of the roller coaster, because it stopped. The joy and excitement, because it stopped, saved me. Wow. It was such big relief. Only then I understood why those fellows are excited. Too late. But when I came out, many people were standing and asking me how it was on. I said, great, go, go, go. You should not miss this experience. Go. Now let me tell you exactly what I wanted to convey through this experience. You see, after enlightenment, for an enlightened being, usually all of you meditate every day. In my case, I do something against meditation. Because I have to keep myself to the body. Keep myself down to the body. Even repeating mantra is against meditation. It is not meditation. Only for you it is an elevating technique. Verbalization. See, each level has a technique. The physical level, if you do prana yoga, you will be growing. In the pranic level, pranayama. In the mental level, repetition of mantra. In the etheric level, visualizing some form of the God or Guru. So each level has a technique. For my thing, see, if you are in physical level, mantra is a elevating technique. If you are in nirvanic level, mantra is pulling down technique. Mantra is also a kind of a pulling down technique. That's why I repeat. Understand that a 90 second, I don't need to do anything. The roller coaster itself brought me down. Then understand the negative effects of roller coaster on the system. Consciously it dulls you, makes you insensitive. In my case, it did good for me because I had to come down. In your case, where will you go down? Where more you will go down? You are already negative. So, never ever get into things which creates a strong adrenaline surge in you. That makes you completely insensitive. Makes you completely dull and negative. Even the crime novels reading and all is a kind of excitement. You can see. Reading crime novels can directly lead you to depression. You don't need anything. That's like you are taking something which will create depression in you. And then you come and complain, I am depressed, what to do so much. Remove all the things which adds depression to your being. Then naturally, you will be out of depression. Actually, if I go in roller coaster once in a week, it will do a lot of good for me. It means it will bring me down to for the few moments, I felt my boundary completely. That 90 seconds. I felt the boundary completely. That's why sometimes I sit in the swing. Swing also make me feel the boundary. That's why I sit in the swing. Roller coaster is like a strong swing. Very powerful swing. But in your case, that is not going to help. Swing is okay, not much negative. But this roller coaster will release so much of adrenaline inside your system. It will bring you, it will give you the excitement which your system cannot handle. So it will be very joyful first few times. Later on what will happen? You will be depressed whenever you can't have that intense excitements. You become insensitive.